Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see the infographic ranking chart in Excel. Here we have ranked the top 3 values. If you see, the first place has a trophy over here, the second place has a shield, and the third place has this small medal present here. This is a completely dynamic chart. The column also of those particular values are highlighted in a different color. So if you see, the first value is in purple, the second value is in a light pink, and the third value is in a brown color, whereas the rest of the values are in a gray color. It's a completely dynamic chart. For example, Sam is 25. Let's make Sam as 100. So if you see, now the first place goes to Sam and the second place goes to Tom. Let's make Tom as 20. Now if you see, the second place is Jennifer and John and the third place is Lily. So it's a completely dynamic chart. We have also created legends for it where it shows the trophy is the first place, the shield is the second place, and the medal is the third place. So let's see how we can create this chart in Excel. So I have the names and I have the marks. I have created these columns and I have put here 3 values: first large, second large, and third large. So first you need to calculate the first large value. So I say large, then I say unique because I want a unique entry. Why do we use unique? Because if two people have the same marks, so suppose this highest mark is 97 and two people have it, both have 97. Then in the second also we will get 97. We won't get the number next after 97. It will show 97 is the second and first is also 97. We do not want that. So we want a unique number. So that's the reason we are using unique. I select this range. I lock the cells, I close it, and then I say I want the first largest unique number. And I say OK. Let's just copy it here. Now instead of 1, I will say give me the second largest number. And here I will say give me the third largest number. So we have done the first step where we have identified the top 3 values. Now for first, I will say if this number over here is equal to the first largest value and I lock the cell, then return me the B2 value. Else return me any, and I close it. So let me just drag this formula down. So you see the first largest is 84. So wherever 84 is present, it is showing here. If we have two people with the same value, it will show 84 here also. Let's do for the second and third the same thing. I will say if this value is equal to the second large and I lock it, then return me this particular value, else return me any, and I close it and I drag this formula down. So you see 75 is the second largest and we have a tie again for the second. Let's do it for the third also. If this value, lock the column, is equal to the third value, then return me this value, else return me any, and I close it and I drag it down. Now for first icon, we will take the first value and add 10 to it. For the second also we'll do the same thing. We'll select the value, we'll add 10 to it. And for the third also we will do the same thing. We'll select the value and add 10 to it. Let us go ahead and drag this formula down. Now select your data go to insert, and we will insert a column chart. So you go to your column chart and you insert a clustered column. Select your series, format series, and adjust the gap width of your chart. Let me just do it. Remove the grid lines. Then what you need to do is select your series and overlap it to 100%. So you see our chart completely overlaps the other. The remaining are in this blue color. The first is in orange color. This gray over here is the second and the yellow is the third. Just delete it, make it black, increase the font and just increase it. Now let us just change the colors. So I'll just change it in a different color. And this I will put it as green. Okay. Now we do not require these legends, so just delete it and also delete the chart title. Now what you need to do is you need to add small icons at the top so that we can have those symbols of the trophy. For that, you need to select your chart. I'll just put the chart a little down for the time being. Let us now select your chart, go to chart design and do select data. Now you will add the series of the first icon. So name it as first icon and the series value is this and do OK. Now add the second icon. The series value is this and OK. And add the third icon and the series value is this. So let's do OK. Our chart looks a little weird. Let's go and fix it. Select the series and go to change chart type. In this, wherever icon is written, go and change it to a scatter plot. And this also to a scatter plot. And put all of this on the secondary axis and say OK. Let us just delete this. Now we have our scatter plots. Now let's go to our individual columns and add data labels, format data labels inside base and give it a white color and increase the font. Do it for the others. Let's change the color to a dark gray. Let's add data labels and format data labels and inside base. And let's just increase the font. And let's just increase the font. Okay, we have done the series. Next, what you need to do is we have to add icons over here. So I have already placed some icons from the internet. So I'll select the first icon. And if you see, this purple is the first icon. So I select the markers and I say OK, and I paste it. So you just need to adjust your chart. So I have pasted the first. The second is these pink columns. So I go here, I copy it, I select these markers and I say paste. And for the next, I say OK, and I go to this green icon and I say paste. Let's go ahead and make Tom as 56 and Sam as 97. So you see this chart automatically updates. Now just select your chart, do format and say no outline. If you see, what I have created is a manual legend. That is, in PowerPoint, I added the images, I added the text boxes, and I then took a snapshot of that. So this is the legend. So I copy this legend, I come here and I paste it. Then go here and adjust it accordingly. Select your chart and the thing and group it. So if you see, it looks like now that you have got a legend over here. Let's go ahead and select and clear everything and put different values. So let's put 78, Ethan, let's put 67. Instead of Lily, let's put 89. Let's put multiple duplicate values. So if you see, I have 3 people with 89. So they all 3 get the first place. Then I have Nisha with 84 marks who gets the second place. Let's also give somebody else the second place. So I have given 2 people with the second place. So it works with duplicate also, and it's a completely dynamic chart. So these icons are directly taken from the internet. You can use any kind of icons you want to do. And this is how we create a ranking chart in Excel. It's an infographic based and it looks at the top 3 values. So I hope you enjoyed creating this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.